Hello there, we're going to go through some wrist cars or controlled articulated rotations. This is a great warm-up for your wrists for anything that you're doing. It's going to have a high load through the forearm, or there's a lot of movement such as steel mace work and martial arts. Now, to do this, spread your fingers nice and wide, stick your hands out, then lift your knuckles up until they are pointing towards your face. Rotate your hands over, so now the palms are facing you. Then point your fingers to the floor, still keeping them spread. And to return to the start position, lift your knuckles up, palms, rotate, knuckles, palms, rotate. Do this really slow, nice and controlled, and try and go for maximum movement wherever you can. And you should begin to feel this start to burn through the forearms and the wrists. Like I said, great warm up for the wrists.